Hey guys, David here with Northwest Math and Science, and today we're going to talk about making our first app, and we're going to be using Android Studio. So let's jump right in here. First things first, you'll need the Java Developers Kit. So we just Google JDK, pops up first thing. I think it requires at least JDK 7, but it doesn't matter. So you go to this page on oracle.com. And right here, boom, you download that. I already have it downloaded and installed. It's pretty straightforward. Chances are you already have it on your machine if you're watching this. But if you don't, this is where you get it. Alright, so after you download and install that, you can just Google Android Studio. And it's the first thing that'll come up here. Go ahead and click on that. And what do you know? There it is in big green letters. Or big green background with white letters. Just their license agreement. Yes, we want to download Android Studio for Windows because I am on a Windows machine. Quite a big download here. So I'll just fast forward this. Alright, so we've got it downloaded here. I'll go ahead and run that. Yes. Alright, so this will take a little while to install. What to do next? And yeah, I'll go ahead and leave all those. I agree. And I'm fine with both of these locations. Yeah. You could change this value depending on how much RAM you have. 2 gigs is fine for what I'm doing. So I'm just going to leave it at the default. Yeah, I don't really care about shortcuts. There we go. Easy to install. Chances are you probably already know how to do this, and you can just skip this video, but I figured just in case there are some beginners or something out there that are really, really new to, I guess, using computers in general, maybe they might need this video, so I figured what the heck. So we'll go ahead and let this install, and I'll just skip this part again. Alright, so this just finished installing. Alright, that's it. I'll go ahead and start it. I don't want to import my settings because if you're installing this for the first time, you don't have any. Fetching some SDK components. Downloading them. Of course, this is things that you won't have to do after you install it the first time. This is just what happens when you're first installing it. It's got to get up to date and everything. So I guess I'll skip ahead on this part too. Alright, so now that that's done, we'll go ahead and finish. And here we go. We can start a new project, open an existing project, etc., etc. So, I mean, that's pretty much it. We can real quickly just open up a new project and see what it looks like. For this, yeah, I'll just leave all this stuff default, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, phone and tablet. These are some presets that you can choose. I'll just do blank activity right now. Again, I'll leave all this stuff default. So what I like about Android Studio is it's super easy to use, and there is a ton of stuff online, tutorials, things like that. Of course, I'm adding to that, so maybe I shouldn't be doing this really, but oh well. I do like this, and it is Java based, which is nice if you already are familiar with Java. Which if you've gone through pretty much any schooling or anything like that, you probably have at least fiddled with Java at some point or another, so you're probably somewhat familiar with it. I don't care about these tips. And so yeah, you're greeted with this nice interface of a phone, and you can change all that, and we'll do that in a later segment. Part 2, we'll start, well, we might go over a little bit more, and then we'll start building a game or something like that. Just a real simple game. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is some of the code that goes along with this GUI that you're creating here. But anyways, that's pretty much it. I will say one more thing. On this website, the Android developer website, um, they do have a ton of information on this that could explain it better than myself or probably anyone else ever could. So if you are interested and you want to learn a lot more right now, you could definitely go on this website and, learn more about this particular program. All right, well, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching, and tune in next time for when we start building our game of some kind, maybe a soccer game or something. I don't know. All right, well, thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.